40,000 years ago. Animals everywhere. Tribes starving. Too fast to catch.
Deer too fast. Rabbits too quick. Spears miss. Hunger constant.
He chased! Ran! Every hunter failed. Every chase useless. Animals always faster.
Cave empty. Children starving. No meat. Death approaching.
Next morning. Same grassland. Same animals. Same impossible task.
Surrounded them. Deer scattered. Too smart. Too fast. Failed again.
Spears thrown. All missed. Animals too quick. Weapons useless.
Elder taught patience. Move slow. Stay quiet. Wait forever.
Ashen crawled. Moved slow. Hours passing. Deer still too far.
Deer sensed him. Ran instantly. Hours wasted. Nothing caught.
Day wasted. Energy gone. Hands empty. Tribe still starving.
Another day failed. Another night hungry. Hope dying.
Food almost gone. Only roots left. Children crying. Desperation peak.
Ashen thought deeply. Animals everywhere. Cannot catch. Must be way. Dawn came again. He returned alone. One more try. Different thinking needed.
New idea tried. Heard them. Corner them. Failed again. Useless.
Barriers built. Animals walked around. Too smart. Effort wasted.
Every method attempted. Every method failed. Problem impossible. Giving up.
30 days trying. 30 days failing. Tribe losing hope. Death coming soon.
Then accident happened. Foot stuck in hole. Trapped. Idea born. Hole trapped foot. Cannot escape. Animal falls in hole. Cannot escape.
He dug. Stone, scraping earth. Hole forming. First trap beginning.
Deeper dug. Wider made. Sweat falling. Trap hole growing. Deep enough. Animal falls. Cannot climb out. Perfect depth. Branches placed. Grass covered. Hole hidden. Trap invisible. Clever. Trap ready. Looks like ground. Will it work? First test coming. Rabbit approaching. Closer. Closer. Trap waiting. Heart pounding. Rabbit stepped on trap. Fell through. Caught! It worked! Rabbit trapped. Cannot escape. First catch ever. Revolution beginning. Hole deep. Animal falls. Cannot climb. Simple. Brilliant. Game changed. Trap reset. Cover replaced. Can it work twice? Again tested. Second rabbit. Third rabbit. Trap works every time. Method proven. 4 rabbits. Few hours. More than 30 days before. Everything changed.
He returned. Not empty. Full. Tribe would eat tonight.
Tribe amazed. Shocked. How possible? Ashen explained trap.
Dig hole. Cover hole. Animal falls. Cannot escape. Understanding spreading.
He taught method. Dig deep. Cover well. Everyone learning quickly.
Everyone dug. Many holes. Many traps. Forest becoming trap field. 5 traps ready. Hunters waiting. New hunting method born. Traps worked constantly. Animals caught all day. Abundance flowing. But problem noticed. Some animals climbed out. Trap needs improvement.
Ashen thought. Sharp stakes at bottom. Animal cannot climb. Better trap.
Stakes placed at bottom. Points upward. Animal falls. Cannot climb. Trapped forever.
Rabbit fell. Stakes worked. Cannot escape. Improvement proven. Better trap. He taught stake method. Sharpen wood. Place at bottom. Everyone learning. All traps improved. Stakes added. Better design spreading.
Ashen observed. Deer use same paths. Trap on path. More catches.
Bigger hole dug. On deer path. Larger trap. Larger animals.
Many stakes placed. Deep hole. Big trap. First deer trap ready.
Dawn came. Ashen waited. Deer approaching. First big test.
Deer walking. Closer. Closer. Trap waiting. Moment of truth.
Deer stepped on trap. Fell through. Caught! First deer ever trapped. Deer trapped. Cannot escape. Tribe will feast. Everything changed. Hunters called. Deer retrieved. First large animal. Celebration beginning.
Deer brought home. Tribe amazed. More meat than ever. Prosperity real.
Children taught young. Trap locations. Animal paths. Skills passed.
Traps organized. Schedule made. System developing. Efficiency growing.
Traps checked morning. Checked evening. Patterns learned. Best times found.
Ashen taught all tribes. Shared freely. Knowledge gift to all. Tribes trapped together. Shared forest. Peace through abundance. Different sizes tried. Small traps. Large traps. Methods improving. Larger traps built. Bigger animals targeted. Ambition growing. Larger traps built. Bigger animals targeted. Ambition growing. Larger traps built. Bigger animals targeted. Ambition growing. Larger traps built. Bigger animals targeted. Ambition growing.
So much meat caught. More than can eat fresh. Storage needed.
Meat smoked. Meat dried. Preservation discovered. Food security achieved.
Seasons passed. Trapping normal. Daily routine. Complete way of life.
Discovery painted on walls. Traps shown. Animals shown. History recorded. Experts emerged. Trap makers specialized. Quality improving constantly. Traps traded. Meat traded. Economy forming around trapping. Ashen watched his legacy. Trapping. Abundance. Tribe thriving completely.
Entire tribe transformed. Trapping, processing, thriving. New civilization.
Settlement permanent now. Population growing. Traps enabled civilization.
Rules created by elders. Trapping managed. Territory organized. Society forming.
Teaching formalized completely. All skills taught systematically. Knowledge preserved.
Stories told repeatedly. Ashen remembered as hero. Legend born and celebrated.
Complete story painted. Walls remember everything. Forever recorded. History preserved. Visitors left with knowledge. Carried trapping home. Revolution spreading.
Entire region transformed. Every tribe trapping. Every tribe thriving. Abundance everywhere.
Old Ashen reflected deeply. One hole, one accident, changed everything forever. He watched tribe thriving, children fed, traps working, mission complete. Tribe honored Ashen, ceremonial tool given, eternal gratitude, hero recognized.
New generation trapped. Ashen's method. Ashen's design. Legacy eternal.
Permanent settlements built. Nomad life ended. Civilization beginning.
Food stored. Tools protected. Security achieved. Prosperity normal.
Children learned young. Tradition strong. Future secured.
From one accident, from one hole, from one idea, came trapping, came abundance, came civilization.